Here I have OPPO F23 and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to internal storage of this device. To do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, tap Skip, then you should go to the Fix and Manage, then Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import and then just tap Import. Keep. And after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.